Hey, this is Scott. I just want to share with you today what I'm doing. We're going to be putting a snowblower from a Craftsman lawn tractor onto a newer Craftsman lawn tractor. We'll find out if that works. All right. All right. So today we're looking at this LT4000 by Craftsman. Another one of my videos. You saw this in, and when this lawn tractor was new, the owner bought a snowblower for it. And he's no longer using it, so we're going to put it on this lawnmower over here. This is a Craftsman. I forget what year it is. Let's take a quick look. Looks like it might be an 03. So over there we got a 1994, I believe, and this is an 03. And this is a snowblower that I think will work. And so we're going to see what happens. And just to give you an idea of what the model number is, this is the model number of this snowblower attachment. So that's what's happening. We'll see if it works. All right. So here are some of the hardware for mounting the snowblower on the lawn tractor. So we can mount this. See if this mounts on the frame of the 2003 lawn tractor. Here is the snowblower laid down. It goes up underneath the tractor. Do this again. There you go. Alright, so what we're trying to find out is whether or not the holes that are required for the snowblower will work on the newer tractor, and those square holes you see right there. We need to make sure that those are on the newer tractor. And if we move over to the front, this hole here needs to be utilized, and then the holes here need to be utilized. So let's take a look at the other tractor, see if they're there. Alright, so I'm thinking that these two bolts here, we could take those out. So the back two holes that we need are back there. And then in the front, we'll have to take off one of these bolts. And then in the middle here, we got plenty of holes to choose from. So I think this is going to work. Alright, so we've got this bracket put on the frame, and it had holes that lined up for it. On the other side was a little bit different. Alright, on this side of the lawn tractor, this bolt here was already there, so I just loosened that and then used the bolt to go through there. These two holes here are for this belt keeper. And this belt keeper is not going to work, excuse me, it goes like this, with the current clutch that I have underneath, because I have an electric clutch and the original lawn tractor does not. So might be leave that off, see what happens, or modify this, maybe just bend it or something like that. So we'll see what happens.
It stays centered, and maybe it will miss. As long as it misses that bolt, then it won't matter.
So yeah, let's try the top bolt there.
Okay.
Since the other tractor had
it
only one hole and it was in the top. Yeah, this one only has one bolt.
Yep, I only have. Mine was put on the inside and yours is on the outside. I don't remember why I had to do it. I just remember doing it.
Alright, so we were able to take out the bolt that was on the frame here, holding this bracket in, and just put this and let it loose a little bit so that it can pivot like this according to the instructions. So got that done on both sides. So far we're looking good. Now time for the back brackets. Alright. take this bracket off of here because we need these two holes. Alright, so on the right side of the tractor here, this bracket is going to go like so. But then there's also this, well, looks like it was a safety feature. I'm not going to need it, so we're just going to leave it off there. Alright, so here we are. We've got the rear brackets on, and we got the front brackets on. We'll take a look at what's next. Alright, so we think we got all the brackets where they need to be on the tractor, and we've tensioned up the chain while the snowblower attachment was upright. And there's a board here. The instructions actually say put the board there. There's a bracket.
The bracket came with this.
Yeah, the bracket came with the snowblower attachment so that you can make that little board so that the wheel could roll up right over that bar. So here we go. Just like downtown, pretty slick.
That's the easy part.
Alright, so I learned that we just made a mistake. This bracket, I assumed it went on the way the other one did. I didn't read the instructions before I did that. Now I went back and looked at the instructions because obviously there's a big gap here that's not supposed to be there. This bracket we need to remove, flip around so this pin is pointed under the tractor. So we'll do that and then we'll get back to it. Alright, so here we are. I made a correction. Now this bracket has been reversed and the pin is pointed in. So let's mount it.
We're gonna throw up a little bit.
Oop.
Nope, there you go. A little higher.
No, you got her? Alright.
This works.
Alright, so now we are going to raise the center of this up.
There you go.
And do the pins go from inside or outside?
I think that went in from the outside.
The holes aren't lined up. They need to go a little higher, I think. There it goes. It just dropped in. Okay. Put the belt on. Belt is on. So just put this pin in. And then what are we doing over here?
Change through. That'll get adjusted as we go. You just gotta make sure you count them out the same on the other side.
That makes
That
sense.
way when it lifts,
Yeah, it's not crooked. Alright. Can you come and do that on this side? Just so we see what's going on.
zooming in close. Start there for now.
Alright, so we'll count the links and make sure that they're even.
Yeah, the 2x4s, I think I used to use these sometimes too. But initially it's hard just to get the frame off the floor.
Right. Alright, so what do we got there?
We got the blower engagement.
The lift bracket?
And the lift bracket, yeah.
Alright. Just
down there. Should hit this off first. This should just slide and spin like that.
yeah.
Here we're gonna push this too far. That happened. That's a lot higher than mine is. It goes through the top hole down. Do that.
So
You just wanted to mess with me. Find the
I
hole.
think it'd be just a simpler pin for that bottom hole. Guess we could place it with a.
Just a stupid quick clip.
Okay.
And that's engaged. Your blower's running and it's disengaged.
Really?
That's just the blower off.
So with this lawn tractor, I'll have to turn on the PTO and then engage it with that. So there'll be two steps to get the blower running. All right.
I never think I didn't have that. That it doesn't bind in here. It's gotta get a little tighter. I don't have, my hands aren't strong enough today. That's the extent of that.
Just tighten up that wing nut.
Yep.
Nice. Is that it?
That's it for attaching the blower. And just wheel weights and
Wheel weights. Yes.
chains.
Alright, so we've got the wheel weights put on, tire chains put on. There's a homemade weight for the back. That needs a little work, but for now, this is it. This is a 2003 Craftsman lawn tractor with a 1994 snowblower attachment on it. Everything went together fairly well. So we're going to fire it up and see what happens. Thanks for joining me on this video. It was a fun video to make, taking this 1994 snowblower and mounting it to a 1999 lawn tractor by Craftsman. I did make a mistake a couple times earlier in the video, calling it a 2003 lawn tractor. That was a mistake on my part. I looked at the wrong number on the serial number. It is a 1999. But it was a fun video to make. I'm glad that it worked out, that snowblower attachment fit perfectly on that lawnmower. I'm looking forward to using it this winter. Maybe we'll get a chance to videotape blowing some snow with it, see how it performs, and again, if I was able to help anybody, that's really what I make these videos for, to help other people out. And thank you for subscribing if you're a subscriber, and even if you're not, thanks for watching my video. Alright, have a good night.